Today, we're diving into the world of audio upgrades with the Esimen microphone audio cable designed for Sony headphones. Whether you own the WH-1000XM5, WH-1000XM4, WH-1000XM3, or other compatible models, this cable promises to elevate your listening experience. The 3.5mm male to 3.5mm jack cable boasts a length of 4.9 feet, 1.5 meters, and features an OFC wire construction for optimal signal quality. The unique elbow design adds durability, preventing potential breakage and ensuring a long-lasting audio solution. What sets this cable apart is its compatibility with various Sony headphone models, including MDR100ABM, MDR1000X, WH-1000XM5, WH-1000XM4, MDR100AAP, MDR-XB950N1, and many more. The cable supports essential functions like volume control, play-pause, track navigation, call management, and of course, the microphone functionality. Not limited to just headphones, this cable can also be a game-changer in your car audio setup. Connect it to your phone via the AUX input, and experience a significant improvement in sound quality during your commutes. With a sleek black plus gold color combination, the Esimen cable not only enhances your audio, but also adds a touch of style to your listening setup. Plus, the package includes a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, providing peace of mind for your investment. In conclusion, if you're looking to unlock the full potential of your Sony headphones, the Esimen microphone audio cable is a worthwhile upgrade. Elevate your audio experience with improved sound quality, added functionality, and a cable designed for longevity. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.